What's up guys, welcome back once again. So first of all, I'm really sorry to all of you guys for not uploading the regular videos on my channel. Finally we are back with one more amazing video. So come to the point. And so guys, do you guys remember the Samsung A series? If you don't, let me tell you, Samsung A series is one of the most successful series from the Samsung, and now Samsung is bringing two more phones from that series, the Samsung A52 and the Samsung A72. And we got some new leak regarding this phone. We're gonna discuss all this stuff in this video. Stay tuned with the end of this video if you wanna know more about this phone. So these phones are the mid-budget segment phone, and these are the affordable phone for all the peoples. If you follow the rumors, the A52 will cost you around 350 euros and the A72 will cost you around 430 euros. So it's almost like 300 to $400 in the US. And the one of the best thing about this phone that both these phone will have come with a 4G and 5G variant. So whether you need a 4G or 5G, you can get both of these. So and there is a one more important news that both of these phone come with a Snapdragon amazing processor, Snapdragon 720G and the 750G. So finally Samsung giving some amazing processor in the mid segment phone, just like the 30 to 40,000 rupees or 300 to $400 rupees. So the A72 4G model, that is 128GB storage, will cost you around 450 euros, and according to the new report, with an option to pay 60 extra to get 265GB storage. And so guys, I'm gonna give you some little summary about the specs of this phone, both of these phone. So the Samsung A52 will have a 6.5-inch display and the A72 will have a larger display, just like the 6.7-inch panel, and both the cases look like the AMOLED display. Yeah, definitely these phones are the Samsung phones, so definitely these phones are going with the AMOLED displays, the best displays which are in the phone market, and obviously the 90 Hz on the 4G variant. And there is a rumor that they are going to give you 120 Hz on the 5G variant, because the larger phone will also have a larger battery, just like the Samsung recently launched the 7000 mAh battery in the M51 and the 7000 in the F42. So Samsung also giving a larger and a huge battery on their phones, and there's a rumor that they with the 5000 mAh battery for the A72 and the 4500 for the A52. Let's move to the cameras, and the camera setup on the A52 should include a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro module plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. And move to the A72 will get an extra camera, a 2x zoom with an 8 megapixel sensor, and plus the upgrade to 12 megapixel for the ultra mode. The phone will have an IPS 67 rating. That means you can put your phone in your water. That means you can put the phone in water without getting harmed. So that's a good thing. And you guys think about the A52 and the A72, let me know down in the comment box. Both these phone would come with a affordable pricing, so that's a good thing about us, because we are normal consumer. We don't afford something like S21 or the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, subscribe our channel for latest update right now. Peace out. I'll meet you next video.